I'm looking up and down. The names. Here they are. JR and Susan Cousino. This is a wonderful old bridge that was replaced by a bridge that was built in 1888. Another one that was built in 1929. Some of these do show that they were damaged, but the bridge did collapse. It's amazing they were able to save so many. That means so much to somebody like me, whose bridge was named with my son who had passed on, and my husband also. We did this ourselves. Just a few names. If you want, Sue Burnham, I remember she was killed in a motorcycle accident. No, they're not supposed to fish out here. Who's going to say anything? Here's a beautiful view. Are the fish biting?
Huh?
Are they biting?
Yeah. Look it. I just caught it back.
How many you get?
We got two, but one of them got away when I took it up.
Well, good luck. Nice to see some kids being kids. Look at this beautiful, beautiful lake. That's absolutely beautiful. Lots of names sound familiar. Like I said, this is I believe the only bridge of names in the country, maybe in the world. It's amazing. They just took all these picket fences, and each name was put in by a man at the post office. We went to the post office. They told us $10, and it would take a few days, and that we could come and find us, after a couple of days, and here we were. As you can see, they have another place to sit. Very nice. Very nice. A little bit of damage there. Really, I'm surprised they were able to save this. Actually landed right in the... It actually collapsed. Sorry about that. Now this is 9 feet wide and 220 feet long with the benches. It's right next to one of the oldest spiritualist establishments in the country. It's been in constant use for almost 200 years. People in Lake Pleasant are mostly working class, but they have a beautiful, beautiful place, as you can see. And they can walk, enjoy the weather, enjoy the foliage during the fall. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. And this connects the two sides of the lake. Without that, to get their meal and things, they'd have to walk almost 2 miles. Because of this bridge, they can do it in 250 feet. It's beautiful. I've just been avoiding taking these because I was so afraid they had lost my husband and my sons a picket, but here's one just says loves. An absolutely beautiful thing. And the pickets actually go past the thing. Here is the story of the Bridge of Names. It's approximately 1,400 pickets have been laid. That would raise $14,000. In Lake Pleasant, that is a large amount of money. Here's some pictures of them building it. Like I said, it was really badly damaged in a storm a few years back. And they actually watched as the Bridge of Names collapsed into the ravine below. But that is my story of the Bridge of Names, the most unique place in the United States.